welcome to our channel. Pallavi, Nyadu. No, just kidding. Pakala.
Okay,
Guys, actually,
I made my own video. Type Grahit Mova and you will get it.
yeah.
GRAHITH space MOVVA.
Yeah, so.
Guys, don't care because I made it like no voice because I kept it in mute. Ew, so sorry.
So.
Today we are making slime
With Orbeez and beads.
Hey, don't add this.
Oh, yeah. Forgot. It's like a pebble, this black one. I love it. It's like some Coca-Cola, like. Yeah.
Yup. Okay. So let's
Go. Actually, if it's possible, then we could change our YouTube channel to something like Driving Kitana Half Rockstars. Something like that.
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put glow.
Not so much because I also need. Wait. Even I'm using that.
Okay. So first let's make a slime. Then I'm making a white slime. You?
I'm making Orbeez slime.
Hooray! We'll make white slime. Then we'll put Orbeez and everything in it.
No, I'm just gonna mix it like that. Yes.
Okay. Then if yours gone wrong, don't ask me again.
Okay.
Okay. You are so confident. I like that. Okay. Go from here.
Yeah. I hope this is a success slime because we never ever made success slime.
Look, mine became nicer.
Already. Why can't we use shaving cream?
Yeah. Because you took so much. Look at how much you are taking.
Oopsies.
Then even I will take.
Yeah, take.
So I'm gonna just keep this slime somewhere else.
Fine. I spilled my activator.
There's more.
Oh no. Can I use yours?
I need to make mine too.
Fine. Just whatever. Now I'll add the beads in it. I'm also gonna add shaving cream. So guys, I'll take you with me.
You should give me some glue. Look, there's so less.
Oh no. Just sorry. How can I? Fine, I could share you half of my slime when yours is okay.
Then I will remove the Orbeez and give it to you and take only the glue. Okay? Like the glue.
Yeah, okay. So guys, I'm in the bathroom. I need to get out the shaving cream. Yeah. So here I have the shaving cream.
Show me also.
Yeah, you could like stretch out your slime and then you could add the Orbeez. Because that's not at all stretchy at all. Like I'm going to make fluffy. Okay, here.
Wait, no. You're adding too much.
To be fluffy.
Whoa!
Ugh, it's not working properly. Oh no, okay.
Oh no, mine is gone.
Okay, here.
You can take this.
Whoa! Okay, yeah, enough. I added way
Oh
too
no, my hands are covered
in
with this.
shaving
Can
cream.
you give me something?
Just, I don't know. Go wash it.
No, you're gonna take my thing.
Promise I won't.
Guys,
Pasta God promise.
I don't believe you. Just I'm gonna wait. Okay.
Okay. Whoa, shaving cream on my pant. Such a messy day. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this pencil.
Wait, I'm back. Show even my slime. Because I made it.
Can I feel yours?
No, it's not done. It's still foamy. Okay. Your hand's gonna get foamy.
Okay, fine. Oh, that's a messy job. Okay, I need a bigger pencil now. Okay.
Can you give me another container? Like a thing to do?
No, please.
What? No, please?
Like, yeah. Okay. I am not at all making good slime because I didn't okay. I added so much shaving cream. I need more I need more activator.
I can give you. But I have only that much.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's forming, guys. It's fluffy. It's good. I just need more activate.
Guys,
Nice, but it's not stretchy. I need more activator.
because my slime is so less, you took so most of the glue.
Yeah, just
Sorry.
yeah. So I just need more like
Say to me,
activator.
I was saying to you. Not fair.
Sorry, but I just need more activator. This is becoming bad. Just
How there's more in this? Look.
oh yeah, I never ever expect.
You made it really big and look at mine.
Sorry, I said I'll share you.
Just give me the white slime. You just give me little of it, okay?
Yeah, okay, I am starting to mix this. Are you okay?
Yep.
Well, yeah, that's perfect. My orbeez are falling down. Cause I don't make,
No. Oh, yeah.
yeah. Oh, it's so crunchy. I like it. I just love it.
I just like my white slime.
I love my crunchy slime. It's so nice, but the orbeez are literally falling down.
So I only want. Oh my god.
I made like whatever. Okay, okay.
Give me. I need it now only.
Right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Just need it. Here's.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright. Yeah. This is not at all like good because I still need to mix it more.
No, you still have more. Look.
Oops. Okay. I'm gonna again tear it. Okay. Yeah. Perfect.
Wait. There
Yeah.
are Orbeez in it.
It's okay.
I don't need them.
But I need them.
Then you can use mine too.
I'm not making plain white slime. I want to make it nice. And actually, it's
Oh no.
just
My
slime.
beads, guys.
Okay. Could see my slime. It's like a birthday cake. I love it. I need like orbeez in it. Okay, I need more shaving cream. I literally need more. Okay.
What the heck are you fighting?
No. Okay, now I have to mix this. My hands are so shaving creamy.
Oh no, my beadsy.
Those are actually my beads.
Yep. So you are not using it,
I am.
but it came out.
But you should give it back to me.
I don't have that. Look.
You have it in your slime.
Oh no, my slime is still white and plain.
Mine's stretchy.
I don't want to make it. Yours is more big. Look.
Oh, not again. I can't.
But it's not fair.
Oh, wait. First I need to stir this, then I can only give you. Because it's still shaving cream. I hate it.
I will make my own slime out of it. That's why give me.
Okay. Just need to mix it like
Give me.
that. Yeah,
Give me some.
Stretchy.
That much?
Okay.
Really?
I'll give you more.
Let me make mine.
And we both have say now you have more than me.
How? This much. And this.
Look, now see.
Because
Now
you
see.
made it thin.
No, you should give it back to
Okay,
me.
then take.
Yeah, better.
I'm gonna like only my slime. Because my hands are not dirty. I'm happy with that. Because of hurting, my hands became dirty. Now, I'm just gonna keep aside it. Okay?
This is good.
Guys, so this is my slime.
And I'm still stirring mine, but it's so stretchy.
Whoa! Oh my
I'll
god.
add the orbeez in it.
I love this slime. And again, after this video, you should not ask me that give me some.
Yep.
That's the bet what we have.
Yeah.
And don't say that this is my ingredients. God, I'm so sorry to say that if I stretch it, my beads are gonna go. Yeah. So I don't want to stretch it mostly.
It's actually my bead. It's my bead. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna add this much over these because this is actually not a good slime. But it's
I am literally happy with this, which I did.
I'm also happy with mine. So guys, comment down below.
Okay, that's fine because she gave me my piece.
Yeah, so yeah. Perfect. It's so good. Okay, so
Oh,
guys,
my beads are falling out.
please comment down below whose slime is better. So bye.
No! You should wait till the last. So you should make slime in front of them.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay. I am really pretty good with it. Don't get the sound. What the ew? I don't like that. So guys, comment down below if my slime is good. And comment down below if Keetana is doing cheating. Because she's having so much glue.
So guys, here's my final slime.
Oh my god. It's literally... Look at your leg.
I don't care. Look guys, so this is the semi-finals.
Not semi-final something.
Can I feel yours?
Yeah.
Ah, you're so rude.
Your hands are wet.
Ah, I should get my them on this time.
Ooh.
Now can I feel it? My hands are not wet. It's not wet, I promise.
Okay, just give me a finger.
Can I get feel it? You're like not showing me.
Yeah.
You're so bad.
Yeah.
But it's with my ingredients, so you can't take it home. I saw. If you want, I can give you 5 Zordons, but you have to give me that.
Why?
Yeah.
Look, she's doing cheating, guys. This is why I don't mostly come to your house.
Okay, so.
Look, everybody got this. Comment down below if she's good or not.
I am.
After this video, if you're gonna do that, I'm gonna do a video in my house, guys. So comment down below. If she does that, I'm gonna just make a video in my house with my phone and say that she took my slime.
Yeah, it's okay if you do it, but I'm gonna give you 6 Zordons.
But still,
Yeah. It's okay if you tell, but I really want that. I could like give you 5 Zordons. How many Zordons you want?
I don't want anything, but I want this.
Okay. Can I just feel it?
No. My beads are falling.
You're really rude, guy.
Okay, just press it then. Only pressing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You kept your finger, right? They made me like a hole. I kept one bead because it came out.
But I really want that slime. Okay,
Look.
then I want to be a Zorba. Okay, whatever. Okay, so guys, this is the semi-final. I know she wins.
Not semi-finals, gummi finals. So just like show our friends. Okay.
Not anymore, she dream.
Hey, please, your hands are going to become really bad.
Just use little. Okay, yeah, that's much more better. It's like, yeah. Okay, yeah. So these are the semi-finals. So yeah, this is not really.
Whoa, my beads got a bead inside. Guys, so comment down below. Which slime do you like the most?
Mine.
I don't know who is it because it's all in your
Mine
hand.
is soft. It's stretchy.
So guys, hers have nothing inside it.
Because it's not sticky.
Look, mine's is stickier. Look, it's sticky. Look. So guys, this is my result.
This is my result.
And she gave me not fair actually. She gave me very little thing. Means like, yeah.
You didn't use your OBs at all.
Hmm?
You didn't use your OBs.
You can use it. I don't need that. I don't need it.
Ooh. It's good slime.
Herbs have nothing in it.
I'm gonna put this in.
Oh my god! Nothing came. You better keep 2 or 3.
Yeah, better. Just need to add that. Yeah, it's running away from
You can take it from this because yours things.
Okay, yeah. This is really not nice slime.
I am okay with yours and mine now.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's not really good slime. I'll make it as eggs. I just need this.
What?
I'm gonna make it as eggs.
Eggs. So guys, comment down
Low.
So show your result first.
My result is the egg and it's all good. It's stretchy.
So mine, I'm gonna make it more, like more things. I'm gonna keep one RP.
Yeah, that's a good egg. Just gonna mush.
So guys, I just kept it like a bow. Oh my god, purple. And just mine is like this. So stretch. Oh no. Hey. Okay, it's so stretchy, guys. You know that because I said you 4 times in written house. Oh, I got a clear ball. Look. It looks amazing. Look at this.
I'm gonna smush this and then I'm gonna.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that looks better.
Mines are full covered with beads. Fully, guys. Fully.
And my beads fell down everywhere. Like, I don't have one bead.
Ah.
I'm gonna use this.
What is it?
It's good only, but
Wow.
I like it.
It's nice, actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's literally falling down. It's still falling down. I don't really.
Guys, it feels really damn nice. Feels so nice. I feel like the shaving cream, you know? It's like yours.
Yeah. Just
I don't need it. I'm just gonna keep this buddu so cute. Gaddi.
So she won in this round. So bye.
No, it's not winning. Just look at this.
Okay, bye.
No, look. So just keep in your hand and show them till the last. Then we can say them bye. Show them your slime. Bye. Wait. Comment down below, like and share. So comment down below who is the winner. So this is
Mine
mine.
is soft. It's so nice.
Mine is too. Even mine is soft, guys. But one problem is in us both also the things come out really badly.
Yeah. Okay. So bye.
But still, mine stretches.
So bye.
Yep.
It's like modeling clay. So bye.